I was just looking to Parts Pro today with the 2021 Haval H2 stock number 6791. This one on the 6/2015 to the current shape. It has a GW4G 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4G 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Front bonnet. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.